To view the review requests that you have sent out, click Reputation on the left sidebar.
These listings create visibility for your business across the internet, improves your search engine rankings with accurate and consistent citations, whereas inconsistent listings can result in lost customers. With Yext, your listing information will be automatically posted across various platforms, ensuring that your information is up to date and consistent. Google also favors businesses with a clean and consistent citations, so you'll have a better chance of ranking higher in the search engine result. In addition, managing your listings from one central location saves time and makes updating and editing your information easier. You can even gather lead and contact information from hundreds of sources using a single software, making managing your business's online presence easy.
Log into your account. You will see various tools and features along the left sidebar. We are going to start by opening Settings.
Under the Listings top menu, you can opt into Yext Listings. Manage and update your listings from one central location, as well as gather lead and contact information from hundreds of sources using a single software. By opting into Yext Listings, you can increase your business's online presence and gain more visibility across multiple platforms.
That's it! Make sure to follow any lesson instructions below and mark this as complete to keep moving forward.